Happy Vlogmas Day 10! I'm saying happy because day 10 is like, that's double figures. We are getting close to Christmas! Yay! Hello, baby! Bee just keeps doing this thing that's breaking my heart where she goes, oh, she's put the music on again. She's so clever. Hey Santa Claus, hey Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Woo! Well, Bee's trying to eat the camera now, so that's getting a bit tricky. Yes, so what are we up to today, my darling one? We go to sensory class on a Tuesday, and gosh, is it already a week since we did sensory class? Yes, it is. And then we're going on a bit of an adventure because we've got to get down to Chelsea for my mum's annual carols. Yay, her choir carols. Sorry, I am not awake at all. So yeah, that's really exciting. We love doing that. And we're taking Bee, which is so wonderful, but also a little scary because it's going to be through her bedtime and we haven't really done that at all yet. What are you doing? Apart from Stephen's birthday, we had her in her pram sleeping while we were out on quite a raucous night out, which was bizarre, but it did actually work. So yeah, don't know how it's going to work today. I'm hoping she'll just enjoy the choir actually. I'm going to make sure she has a proper afternoon nap, and then we're just going to break with any kind of routine that we've established and throw caution to the wind and hope that she just enjoys it. But yes, so that should be fun. A bit of Christmas shopping, I think. We're going to go down King's Road and get a few things while we're there. Yeah, we're going to get more Advent gifts for Daddy because I'm out now. And that's about it. So I'm going to probably not film anything until we're out and about because I've filmed so much in the house that I feel like it's getting a bit stale, the house stuff. You don't want to see me tidying and stuff again. Dull. So yeah, so I'll wait till we're out and about and then we'll film then. See you in a bit.
Then Mummy will have to chase you everywhere.
She just got a flower. Stephen's Are you just eating the flowers, baby? Hold yourself out, hold yourself in, and you shake it all about. You do the hanky cakey and you turn around. That's what it's all about.
Okay, one last time.
Oh, hanky cakey. Oh, hanky cakey. Oh, hanky cakey. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah.
Well done.
So it's now 9:20 and the concert's finished. It finished a lot earlier than we thought, which is great because B, you are a superstar. She's still wide awake, but she was there the whole way through with us. She like met everyone, was so super smiley. She made 2 really cute noises really loudly in the middle of the singing, but I couldn't help but just think that it was adorable. I'm sure some people found it annoying, but it was really quite funny. She just went like, ah! in the middle of a song. But both Steve and I are just completely overwhelmed and proud of our daughter because she was incredible.
Yeah.
And my mum just took her the moment she finished the concert and took her around everyone there. So she really met a lot of people and she's been incredible. And let's see if she sleeps on the way home and then we'll go to sleep in our beds. Yes, baby. Yeah. Alright guys, well I think I might sign off now because I'm pretty sure when we get back it's all going to get a bit crazy. So we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Bye!
What are you doing, darling?
I can hear like the beep. I'm like Hobbs and the postman. I hear a beep and I'm like, who's filming me? I am carving up a penguin.
Carving up a penguin. Has it been a long day?
It's a really long day and it's a really late. It's nearly, oh, it's past 11.
Yeah, that's about time to have dinner. Well, before you have dinner, what day is it?
Day 10. Double digits. Exciting. Is it really dark? Does it look really dark?
It looks fine on the camera, yeah.
This Christmas treat is a latte sweet. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. A tasty bag of fun. To find it, go for where the wild things are, the wild rumpus has begun. Oh, back into the corridor where the wild things are.
Should we put the Christmas night lights on?
Yeah, okay, the Christmas.
Well, let's put the Christmas lights on because it's not Christmassy.
Wait.
Ah, okay, then now come on that.
Know that?
No.
I thought you did.
Yes, definitely said let's do that.
Oh no, it's updating, baby.
Oh, really?
No, wait.
Okay, let's just go and have a look. Right, Eric Idle.
Why? Okay,
Mixing 2 films
together. And people have to tell me what both of those things were from. So
Okay,
anyway,
I will be so impressed if they get the first one.
Some people are going to get some film
Okay,
references.
so Gabby mixed 2 film references into one quote
I
there.
did, yes. But they're a similar kind of ilk, and I think someone's going to get them both. Okay, anyway.
They are connected, actually, you're right.
Chai!
Chai
fudge. We tried
Artisan chai fudge.
Oh, baby, we tried this on Sunday at the Christmas market, and it was so good. I'm going to eat this whole pack.
There's dessert sorted.
Yay, thank you.
Merry Christmas. Happy Merry.
Right, close the door.